If you're considering buying Exactor for your sales tax needs, here are 12 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Exactor claims to simplify sales tax automation, but is it the right fit for your business? Let's break it down and compare it to other sales tax software on the market. First, Exactor offers comprehensive tax calculations, helping you stay on top of your sales tax obligations with accuracy. However, it's worth noting that some competitors, like Avalara, have a wider reach across international markets, so if you're working globally, you might want to consider that. Next thing you need to know, Exactor integrates well with common accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, but while its integration options are solid, some users report that other platforms like TaxJar have a more extensive list of integrations, especially with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. The third thing to consider is pricing. Exactor uses a subscription model based on transaction volume, which can work well for small to medium-sized businesses. However, this can get costly as your business grows. In comparison, some alternatives like TaxJar offer tiered pricing, allowing for more flexibility depending on your business's scale. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Exactor's interface is fairly intuitive, but new users might need some time to adjust to its various features and settings. On the other hand, solutions like TaxCloud have been praised for their more user-friendly dashboards. The fifth thing you need to know is that Exactor offers real-time tax rate updates, ensuring you're always compliant. However, while this is great for sales tax rates, some users say it lacks the depth of analysis that Avalara offers when it comes to audit and compliance assistance. Next up is support. Exactor provides decent customer service through email and phone, but it's worth mentioning that other software providers like Avalara and TaxJar have more accessible and responsive support channels, including live chat. Now, let's talk about automation. Exactor does automate sales tax calculations, but when it comes to filing and remittance, it doesn't offer as seamless an experience as some competitors. Platforms like Avalara and TaxJar often excel in automating the entire sales tax lifecycle, from calculation to filing. Another thing to keep in mind is scalability. While Exactor is a solid option for businesses of all sizes, it may require some manual work when scaling up, particularly for large enterprises. Competitors like Vertex offer more enterprise-level features with more robust scalability. The ninth point, Exactor offers a range of state-specific sales tax information, which is useful for businesses operating in multiple states. However, platforms like TaxJar and Avalara often go above and beyond in providing more detailed, in-depth, state-specific tax advice. The 10th thing you should know is that Exactor's reporting features are fairly basic. While it provides tax reports for filing, it lacks advanced reporting and data analytics features that some competitors offer, such as Avalara's detailed insights into your tax data. Next, let's talk about customer reviews. Exactor's reviews tend to be mixed, with some praising its ease of use and others mentioning difficulties with customer support. In comparison, platforms like TaxJar have a more consistently positive reputation among users, especially in terms of customer service. The 12th and final thing to know about Exactor is its free trial. While they do offer a trial period, it's relatively short compared to some competitors who offer longer trials, giving you more time to test the software in depth before committing. All in all, Exactor is a solid choice for sales tax automation, especially for small to medium businesses. However, if you want a more feature-rich solution with better integration, support, and scalability, we recommend checking out our top pick. Plus, you can try it for free to see if it's the right fit for you.